Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that is amongst the May to August 2025 speaking topic. So let's look at the topic. Describe an outdoor sport you would like to do. You should say what it is, when or where you would like to do it, with whom you would like to do it, and explain why you would like to do it. So let's look at a sample answer that I have created for you all. I am quite a courageous person and am always willing to take on new adventures. And today, I would like to speak about scuba diving, which is a popular water sport which I would like to undertake in the times ahead. So, undertake means to do or perform. So, now let's take a coffee break with Empress Farms. If you are stressed about your IELTS exam, try Empress Farms coffee. Its bold flavor with pureness is the perfect companion for your English learning journey. You can order it now on Amazon. Link is shared in the description. Now let's continue with the cue card. Moreover, I would like to explore the vibrant underwater life of the Bay of Bengal, which offers an ideal backdrop for this fun activity in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands and is recommended to be the best place in India for this thrilling pursuit. Vibrant means colorful, ideal backdrop means the perfect place, thrilling means exciting, and pursuit means activity. Alright, so let's continue. Additionally, it is a low risk sport which can be enjoyed by kids as well as elderly people. And I would like to try this outdoor sport with my friends on the occasion of my upcoming birthday. Furthermore, it can be grasped easily by learning all the safety skills meticulously, including some pressure containing techniques when we are going down or moving up to the surface, along with some basic floating and kicking. So, meticulously means when you have to pay a little bit of an attention to something. That means you have to be attentive, you need to concentrate on something. Finally, I am looking forward to try this daring yet exciting activity as it would provide me an opportunity to discover and spend time in the blue transparent lagoons with sea creatures like turtles, vibrant fishes, as well as sharks if I am lucky enough, and would be a lifetime experience for me. Lagoons are basically a kind of water body which is separated from the sea or ocean. Like it's not in the middle of the sea or ocean where you can generally perform activities like scuba diving. Thank you for your time, everyone.